Hello guys, Game Changers back again with another video. I know I've been away for a while, but I'm really excited to bring you this, and I will be back for the foreseeable future, so let's get into it. So, as you can see by the title, I'm showing you how to get free, paid and hacked games and apps. What you want to do is go to the link down in the description below. It will be a Royal Oils, as I've just started working, still haven't got no money, so it is helping me out a lot, guys. Once my first payment comes through, I will not be using Royal Oils anymore, so I'm excited for that, and I'm excited to be able to do this for you guys. So yeah, so you want to install it exactly how I did here. When you press install, press allow, and then it'll take you to where you need to go. Put your passcode in, install again. It'll take you back to the website. Then all you got to do is exit the website, and you'll see it on your home screen. So you just want to tap on it. You might have a couple of pop-up ads at the beginning, but after that you should be a-okay to just go on through the app. You just press the X buttons on the ads to get rid of them. As you can see, it's slightly laid out kind of like app discovery, which I didn't really notice until I started making the video, but it don't really bother me. I still think it's a great app, so you should definitely go and check it out. There's tons of hacked apps and hacked games, also paid apps and paid games, and a lot of tweaked apps as well, so make sure to check it all out. I'm going to end the recording here and let you guys finish watching the video. You'll see all the apps and games that are included. Don't forget to comment, subscribe and like, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.
Every day is like December, so bring out your coats, bring out your sweaters. There's no telling when this weather is gonna get better, cause I remember the moments when I was thought as a joke. Now they're giving me handshakes saying it was a joke, but I ain't joking around. I'm trying to give you all hope that you can do it if you want it, man. You drive your own road. Yeah, a notebook full of raps by the end of every class. That's my formula for life, not the formula to math. Like once again.